Oh, good morning. It's 4 a.m. Day 7. Well, I guess if we try to review the week, we'll know that all this, basically everything that everybody says online is not true. Um, you're not going to make money overnight with affiliate marketing. All these challenges that we're doing now for a 6-month challenge is going to be, you know, going to be difficult enough to even build this program. Uh, Enough to make money to survive on, maybe a passive income. So we've learned in the first 7 days that affiliate marketing is basically a full-time job at first. It could probably be a passive eventually once you build the ecosystem. As far as much as the research I've done, the 2 courses that I've tried online, they don't seem to be what they promise to be as they advertise them. Not gotten a lot of support, even though I've emailed and gone on their so-called forums and asked for help and information and suggestions and things like that. So we just have to be aware of that. You're basically on your own out there. So I tell you at this point to be very careful if you're going to do any courses that people offer to teach you how to do affiliate marketing. There's a lot of stuff out there that you can actually get that's free. SEO is going to be a good portion of it that's going to be important to understand and how that works, especially if you have no traffic. We've learned that really quick. Facebook groups, you can get involved with them. That's very helpful. There's a lot of information in there. Excuse me. But I suggest you go to the private ones. Don't use the public ones because they're just trying to sell their stuff on those Facebook groups. Well, just keep notes. Write down in your book every day your tasks. I'm at the point now that I'm starting to build it. Doing a lot of research about paid ads because that's going to be my only route because I don't have a following. If you happen to have a following or writing a blog, for example, a lot of people make money using blogs and doing reviews on products. And once again, if you're going to have products, you make sure you get that product and use that product and be extremely proud of that product before you start to put it out there. If you're not going to offer it to your family or sell it to your family, I hate that word sale, but that's basically where it's coming down to. If you don't want to suggest that your family use that product, then I say leave it alone. Okay. So today's Sunday. I'm going to cut her off pretty soon. Spend time with my family. We've got some things that are going on that we have to pay attention to and focus there. I'll do some more research this afternoon, and I will be back on Monday morning and do it all over again. Today is the 7th day of the 19th of February, so I will see you tomorrow on the 20th of February at 4 a.m. I wish you the best for the rest of the weekend, and I will see you tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in.